Hi guys, so this video is for you if you are new to jazz and if you are an absolute beginner. So in this video I'm going to teach you a jazz standard called Autumn Leaves. We're going to take several steps to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is to analyze the tune. So this tune has got 4 different sections. So it's got an A section, and then the A section will come back again, but this time with a slight change. It will then go to the B section, which is completely different, and then it will end with the C section. So the structure of the song is A, B, C. So step number 1, let's learn the melody. A section comes back. Now the B section, which is completely different, says Now step number 2 would be to add the bass notes. So I'm now going to play the melody in the right hand and the bass note in the left hand. Now step number 3 is to now play the melody in the right hand and some Thelonious Monk voicings in the left hand. Now if you don't know what Thelonious Monk voicings are, I did a video on this a few weeks ago, so please check that out and then you can try and play those in the left hand. Now you've got step number 4 would be to change the rhythm of the melody. So this is where you can really mess around. if you listen to 10 versions of Autumn Leaves, it's highly likely that in each of those 10, the melody is played slightly differently. And this is something that jazz musicians love to do. So now I'm going to mess around with the rhythm of the melody. Feel free to play it however you want. You can do this by either repeating a note several times, or you can put the note in a completely different place. Now there are endless possibilities to this. So right now I'm just going to be spontaneous and mess around with the rhythm of the melody. And with this, don't try and think too much about it. Just let your ear guide you and just trust yourself. The next thing you can do, step number 5, would be to now embellish the melody. So you can do this in several ways. You could add some passing notes, you could play some auxiliary notes. There's many things which I'll be covering in some videos to come. But now here's Autumn Leaves, and I'm going to mess around with the rhythm, and I'm going to embellish the melody as well. So why don't you try and learn this tune, play the video several times, learn it, and please let me know how it's going. I'd love to help you as much as I possibly can. If you like the video, please press the like button, and please subscribe to this channel so that you know whenever I put something new up. Again, please let me know how you are doing with your practice, and I'm very interested in finding out if you're learning anything from these videos. So happy practicing, and I will see you again in another video.